Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, you guys. I have a huge, well, that's not true. Not huge, but I have a Bath & Body Works haul for you guys today. Just keeping it real. It ain't huge, girl. It's like 8 things, but you know what? It'll be huge because it's fabulous. How about that? This box has 8 things in it. Let's get into it. I'm super excited. Yay! Okay, so what did I get this time? Okay, so I wanted to try all the new scents that I missed out on last time. So I wanted to get Water Lily Springs. Oh, and of course the other 2 hauls that are huger, is that a word? From Bath & Body Works. I just ate Thai curry. It's so good. You guys, Thai curry is my favorite thing to eat right now. It's so good. Off topic, but whatever. So yeah, if you want to see my other 2 hauls that I posted this past few weeks from Bath & Body Works, the spring hauls, more stuff with more decor, link down below in case you want to see more than this. In case you missed those 2 hauls. But anyway, this is my 3rd spring Bath & Body Works haul this year already. Yeah. So if you're like, girl, this is your first one, no, I've only done 2, so link down below for those 2. Anyway, Water Lily Springs, you guys. This packaging is so pretty. So, what is that on my shirt? Ew. It's like a, yeah, this packaging is so cute. Now, this doesn't have any keynotes, but I'm like, ugh. You guys, this price though, $17, you guys, for like this shower gel. No, ma'am. Oh, let me see what happened. Okay, so this is free shipping because this is the 2nd time they've delivered my stuff late. So I had to call and they refunded my shipping, which is so sweet of them to do. But yeah. So people always ask me last time, like, so does the overnight shipping actually work? Mostly yes, but lately it hasn't. Lately, overnight shipping, it's coming like in 2 days instead of 1 day, and I'm like, girl, yeah. So, but hey, I got free shipping now twice in a row, which is pretty darn good. Especially I haven't gotten a coupon Bath & Body Works. What's up with that? But they gave me a 15% off coupon promotional code on the website, which is cool. So I saved 15% off this order, and I got free shipping, and I got 2 things for free. So that was pretty good. So I'm not mad at it. Really, I'm not. So anyway, Water Lily Springs. All that to be said. And I did buy 3 get 1 free. So I have 2 items for free. Okay, let's see what this freaking smells like. Okay. I'm trying to think if it's a repackage. There's this one that I'm gonna talk to you guys about that I think this might be either a repackage or very similar to. I think this is a repackage. There, I said it. Okay. Who remembers Fresh Gardenia and Spring Rain from 2016 spring? We're talking 8 years ago now. I think this is a repackage of that, and I used to love that scent. This one is really good. It smells like fresh rain and like a soft floral. Sweet floral with fresh rain. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, I think there's a repackage of that, and that's why I like it. It's really good. But I think it's the one and done for me, but it's good. It's a good, sweet, aquatic scent. I will say that. Yeah, this is definitely the Fresh Gardenia and Sweet Spring Rain from 2016. 100%. Yeah. Water Lily Springs. Yeah. So, and I was hoping it would be because actually I've always wanted that scent to come back. I'm going to do a video soon about scents I want them to come back with. And this is, well, they already brought it back, so I don't have to talk about that. Oh, it smells really good. It does give you that, like a spa, like you're in a spa. Yeah. I don't know. You see, I wasn't gonna get a double, but I don't know. I kind of like this one actually. Maybe I need to get more than one. I'm done, you guys. I'm shopping too much. Water Lily Springs, you guys. I only got 1 for now, so we'll see. And then I have to get the matching scrub, girl. Okay, this packaging is so cute. You feel like you're in a pool or something, like a nice aquatic pool. And the keynotes are on the back of this, thank God. Okay, so Dew Kiss Lilies, Crisp Waters, and Clean Musk. Yeah, this is definitely that Gardenia Fresh Spring repackaged. The Creamy Body Scrub, and this has the Shea Butter and Vitamin E. The body scrub. Ugh. Yeah, it smells really, really good. It's really fresh and like clean and like, oh, it's really good. It smells like it's been raining for like 2 days straight and it finally stopped raining. You're in like a nice garden. Yeah, it smells really, really good. Live for that. So I had to get that scent. I'm glad I did because it smells really good. And then I want to get the other scent that I didn't get, which was Sea Salt Coast. So I got the matching scrub too. So let's talk about the shower gel first. I'm really digging this packaging. It's really cute. So let's see if this is a repackage or anything. Okay, let's cleanse the nose. Okay. Ooh. I feel like this is a repackage of something, but I don't know what it is. Like one of these aquatic scents that came out. Maybe Underwater Oasis. This is giving Underwater Oasis or something. What is that scent? Yeah, I think this is Underwater Oasis or something, like, again. I think. Or one of those scents from, like, do you remember the Paradise Cove? It isn't that, but, like, one of those scents that was in that same collection as the Paradise Cove from, like, 2019. I think it was, or 20, yeah. I think this is, like, one of those. Definitely smelled this before. This smells really good. This smells like a men's cologne. This smells, you know what this kind of smells like? A little bit like, oh my god, you know what I think this is a repackage of? And I'm actually suddenly obsessed now. Oh my god. I don't think it's exactly, but I think it's similar. It's like a little bit more of a fresher. It's a little bit more, okay. This smells like Midnight for Men. That came out in 2019. My favorite men's scent they ever came out with. This smells like, and Midnight for Men is like is a dupe for the Dior Sauvage cologne, which is my favorite cologne for men as well. This smells kind of like that. This smells like that and the Versace Eros combined, which those are my two favorite scents of all time for men. Yeah, cologne. This is so good. Get your boyfriend this. He will, like, live for this. Yeah, this is actually really, the more I smell this is really, really good. It smells like a really good cologne for men. Oh my god, it smells so good. See, I'm glad I got these because I almost didn't get them, like, whatever, but I'm glad I tried them out because I like them. So I usually don't gravitate towards it. I usually like my fruity, my gourmand, my coconut, but I'm like, this is actually really good. I'm digging these. Okay, get it, girl. Get a sea salt coast. Okay, girl. Yes. I am living for this. Yeah, this is definitely like men's cologne, and I'm here for it, sis. I'm trying to think what else is. Yeah, this is like a nice, clean men's scent. I love it. So yeah, this is really good. Yeah. Okay, so I'm happy I got one of those. And then of course I got the matching scrub, girl. Yeah, you have to say it like that. You have to say scrub. I like saying like that. So coast. Okay, keynotes are Salty Air, Water Lotus, and Sandalwood Shores. You know what's so funny? The scrub smells like you're at the freaking beach. It's so funny. Like, it smells like you're literally dipping your toes in the sand and, like, the water is, like, on your toes. Like you're walking on this shore, like, on the beach, and, like, the water is, like, hitting your ankles and feet on, like, as when the waves are coming in. Like, high tide. Yes. And you're walking hand in hand with a really hot guy. He smells really good. Oh my god, this is really good. I can't wait to use this in the shower now. I'm, like, really excited. In my bath. You better work. This is good, you guys. I'm really impressed because I thought it'd be like, oh, whatever, let me just get it to get it. This is actually really good. I knew something was this was calling my name. I was like, usually I'm like, ugh, but like this was like saying, buy me, buy me, buy me, buy me, and I'm glad I bought it. Buy me, Michaela. This looks so cute in my bathtub. I'm like, you better work. Okay, Silk Coast, living for that. So I got that. Buy 3, get 1 free. And then I got my Peach Bellinis. Girl, I got 4 of these bad boys. There's no keynotes, but we all know what this smells like. It smells like heaven on earth. Peach Bellini, girl. Okay, so. Ooh. Oh my god. Yeah, so it does give us champagne toast vibe, not gonna lie. Yeah, it smells like champagne toast with like a strong, sweet peach note. That's what it smells like. I feel like I'm getting high off the fumes of this. All these scents, I'm like, ooh. Okay. So yeah, enough of that. But yeah, this smells like a nice, sweet, alcoholic peach cocktail at a party. And I'm here for it. So I got 4 of these. These bad boys. I like calling them bad boys. Remember that Cops theme song? Bad boy, what you gonna do when it comes for you? Oh my god, I love that song. Okay. The Cops theme song, I'm done with it. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna... Oh my god, if you don't know what that is, girl, you need to look it up, okay? Yes, peach Bellini. Yes. Okay, so I got 4 peach Bellinis, girl. Yes, Miss Thing. Okay, and that's it. Smell haul. So it wasn't too much, but I just want to get a few more things. Now I'm good until the new collection comes out, which is, I don't know. I've heard that maybe it's coming out February 12th, the tropical stuff, and then I heard it's coming out early March. Who the hell knows, girl? Okay, Tropidelic is coming out. I heard mixed things. Some people say it smells like stinky feet. Some people say it smells like amazing. We'll see what I feel like when I get it. Okay, then there's other new scent. So Tropidelic is new, and then there's another new scent coming out called Thailand. Kiwi and starfruit. One more time because I messed it up. Thailand, kiwi, and starfruit. Sounds so good. I can't wait to try that. To try that. And then the other ones are be the same as always. So we're gonna have Fiji Sunshine Guavatini. Yeah, so Fiji Sunshine Guavatini is gonna come back. Bahamas Passion Fruit Banana Flowers back. Kawikiki Beach Coconut and Pineapple Sunrise, but they're gonna call it Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise, which I love that name, by the way. So those are the stuttering. Those are coming back again. So yeah. So either February 12th or probably the beginning of March. We'll find out, girl. Whenever it comes back, I'll be here with a huge haul, girl. And then I heard we're gonna get more like elephant decor for like spring tropical. So we'll see about that. And then other fun scents coming up for spring 3, which will be probably, I'm guessing, in April. Spring 3, we're gonna have an apple scent, lavender scent. I heard other random scents. They're bringing back strawberry, vanilla, and bourbon vanilla. I don't know. Hopefully they make it better because I was over that scent when it came out. Because whatever. We'll talk more about that when that comes out. I'm gonna get at least one to have in my collection, but I have a whole thing about that scent, you guys. I like it, but it just nothing compared to bourbon. Nothing compared to the strawberry pound cake. It's irrelevant. But bringing it back, I don't know why they need to bring it back. It's not needed because we have strawberry pound cake, which is better. But anyway, but if you love strawberry, bourbon, vanilla, whatever, it's coming back. I heard for spring 3. So. And then, ice and pound cake's back. Hi. And then, what else? Other fun surprises, too. We're going to get some new scents, too, as well. So, you guys, some more fun stuff coming this spring. I'll be here to holler for you guys. I'll be doing a huge empties next week from Bath & Body Works. Get ready for that. It's going to be massive. Massive spring empties. Massive Bath & Body Works empties next week. And then I'm going to do another video soon about scents I want back. And I want a lot of scents back. So, girl, listen up. The Bath & Body Works, I want a lot of scents back. So, I'm doing the video soon as well. So, as well. That's my haul, you guys. Did you enjoy it? If you did, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Ew. Okay. Love you guys so much. And I will see you guys very soon. Mwah, kisses. Thank you for subscribing. Bye, guys.